Most of the WooCommerce stores I've ever worked on always have one problem, and that is having their customers just buy one item at a time. These are the two best ways that I know how to fix it, and has worked almost every time. So let's dive right in. The first thing you're going to want to do is grab yourself a great discount manager. I've created one here that's going to give you all these types. I don't believe there's a free one that gives you all of these, but if there is, put a comment down below and share with the people. But go to the link description below and grab the one that I built or the one you choose. So to start, you go to Sales Scheduler, and with mine, you can just click on the day you want it to start. And we're going to do a buy Y, get X. Now this one, you can add a category. That'd be the whole clothing category, and set the quantity. Or you can just pick a product, cap, and you get a beanie for free. And we'll go ahead and add 2 caps, hit save, and then you can extend it out. You can copy it. You can do a whole bunch of different stuff that just makes your life a lot easier. You also get analytics of how it's doing and all that, so you can decide whether or not you want to keep doing it. In the front end though, when they see that there's a BOGO product, they're going to hit add to cart. It's then going to prompt them to add this to the cart to get it for free. And that way no one misses out on a deal. So we go to view the cart. And you can see the discount is applied right there. Now we'll delete this. Yep. And we're going to do the next type, which is even more powerful. Let's say you're a B2B business or you sell t-shirts to sports teams or whatever you do. You can do a bulk discount. We'll name it bulk. Name it whatever you like. And here again, you can do a whole category. Or you can just do one product. And we'll do beanie. There's multiple ways you can apply the discount. You can apply it to just the specific products or the whole cart, as well as do it at a set price rather than percentage. We'll just do a percentage for right now. And if you do a category, you can exclude subcategories and products by selecting them here. Doesn't really apply to us because we're just going to be doing the beanie. And hit save. And again, you can do the same thing, copy, move, and do that. But we'll go to the front. We'll go into the beanie. And now you can see there's a nice table telling them exactly the deal. They can even click it and it will set the quantity right in the quantity. They can add it to the cart. View the cart. And again, their bulk discount will automatically apply. No messy coupons, none of that. It just happens all automatically for you. Now, if you don't necessarily want to give a discount, but still want people to buy more products, there's a great way to do that, and that's with frequently bought together products. Again, I'll have a link to a very powerful plugin that I built down below. You can go online and on the repository and search frequently bought together, and you can find ones there as well. They'll just lack analytics and some other features. So we're going to create a bundle, and this bundle will be the same for these 3 products, because this is kind of the master area to do it. Create a new bundle. We'll do it for app. Name it whatever you like. You can change it from frequently bought together title to whatever you like. Let's go and do a cap. Belt. Again, you can do categories in this as well. So say the hoodie category. All that category would have, oh, sorry, that's the regular hoodie. I do the hoodie category. Hoodie category right there. And that will have these 3 items for any hoodie that you would like. But we'll just do a shirt. T-shirt. Now you could set a discount amount, a start and end date, priority. We're going to hit save. And now let's go to our store. Go to our cap. And you can see our bundles right there. They can just click one button. It adds all 3 products to their cart. And if there was any discount to be had, it would show up right here. As you see, it's very simple and easy to use. You can easily create other bundles For instance, on our actual product edit page, you can create a whole A/B testing situation to where you can really dial in and get the best products together that entice customers to buy together, increasing your average order value very easily and see results and really make informed decisions. And that's how you get 25% of increase of order value. Now, if you know of any other ways to help other people increase their average order value, please comment down below. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll catch you next one. Bye.